Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to go for the settings, and right now you have to go for the apps and notifications and tap to app twin. And as you can see, currently we got only one application that supports this mode, and in most cases it is the social apps. So here we got the Facebook, but you can also add here the Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, or any other social app that you are using. And if you want to activate, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the second icon was added to the home screen, so we can check it. Go right here, and the Facebook will be here. There's our first application from the Facebook, and right here we got the second. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.